Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube with beginner's method. So let's get started. So the first step is to solve this complete layer. Not just the white face, but you have to line up these colors also. Just like this. After scrambling the cube, you have to select the piece. No matter what you choose, but for this tutorial I'm selecting red, green and white. And this will be your first solved piece. So after you have solved your first solved piece, look for the other white pieces in the top layer. So this doesn't have white, this also don't have white, this have white. So except white, it has orange and green, and the piece which is solved has red and green except white. So the common color between these two pieces is green. So to solve this piece, you have to first get the piece above its position. So if the position of this piece is this, you have to get it above its position just like this. So now it's above its position. So now you have to repeat these sequence of moves until this piece is solved, and the moves are R, U, R prime, U prime. Do these moves until the piece is solved. And yep, it's solved now. So now you have to do the same thing to solve rest of the two pieces. So the nearest white piece I found is this. So except white, it has orange and blue, and this piece has orange and green. So the common color between them is orange. So the position of this piece is this only, and the piece is already in its position, which we don't want. So you can just take it out this piece by these three moves: R, U, R prime, and the piece is in top layer. So you have to get this piece above its position. So the position is this, above its position, and just do those moves: R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, and now the piece is solved. So after solving three white pieces, only one will be left, and I've got it in its position only, which I don't want. So just do these moves: R, U, R prime, and it is on the top layer. So to solve this piece, you have to get it above its position, and the position is this, and got it above its position, and do those sequence of moves: R, U, R prime, U prime. And now your first layer is completely solved. So in the second step, you have to get the pieces above its position, no matter if it's twisted just like this, but like orange blue, orange blue, orange green, orange green, red blue, red blue, and red and green, red and green. You have to get all four corners just like this. So now you have to check how many pieces are already in their correct position. So red and green matches red and green, orange green matches orange green, red and blue doesn't match orange blue, and orange blue doesn't match red blue. So I have got two pieces already in their correct position, which I don't want. You are required to get only one piece in their correct position. So you can get one piece just like this. Now check, I've got this in the correct position, this I've not got this also, and this also. So my first step in the second step is complete, and now you have to get all the pieces in their correct position. So to get them, you can just do these moves to get, and the moves are U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And now check, I got this correct, this correct, this is in its correct position, and this also. So now your second step is also completed. And if you don't get these in the correct position after applying this, apply it continuously, and after some times you'll get it. So now the time of third step, in which your whole cube will be solved. So now the time to solve last four corners, and to solve them you have to hold the cube just like this. White layer faces up. And remember, if you get your one corner solved or maybe get two, hold them in left bottom, just like this. So now you can select any piece to be solved first, and this time I'm selecting red, green and yellow, and make sure the piece you're solving should be in the right bottom side, just like this. And to solve this piece you have to just apply those sequence of moves which you use to solve these four pieces, and I'm going to apply them until the piece is solved. And now you can solve the rest of them just like this. And wait, don't rotate the cube just like this, just rotate this layer, and now solve this with those moves only. And now I've got this solved. Rotate this layer, solve this, and now the final piece, rotate, and now your cube is solved. And guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, don't forget to leave a like, comment also if you want me to make video on some topic, and subscribe to my channel also and hit the bell icon also, so you will get notified when I upload a video. So till next video guys, have fun, keep cubing, and bye bye. And I hope your 2x2 is solved.